Had no need to fight tonight.
Back with another action-packed video. Wow.
Darling, you send me.
Back row.
I know.
Whoa! Alright, we're bringing her in. We gotta get this door. If you guys haven't watched the coronavirus video, we came in here and we destroyed these doors. We completely demolished the doors that aren't even here. There they are. Today we're gonna go surfing on them. So, looks like this is our door. We're gonna take this door and we're gonna surf on it. The coronavirus video went a little like this. Oh! Just like that, we're gone. I think we can still work with it. Alright, we're gone. Get in. We gotta reinforce this bad boy. Yeah. Or we're gonna need to fix her up pretty damn good. We're trying to get the door handle off so I don't bust my nuts on it. Final result. We have made our homemade wakeboard. The board does float. That is great. I think this is gonna work. It sinks. Check it out. Whoa. Every time we're on the jet ski, our one goal is to absolutely destroy every buoy in sight. Check it out. Oh! No! Oh, so close. You gotta give me more speed next time. Oh! Holy shit! Here we go, full power! Yeah! Crap, smack dab in the middle. What? What about your kids? We're not anywhere near your kids. All right, her kids are not anywhere near us. Relax, Karen. Karen, oh, now she's on the phone. Great. She's trying to get her license plate number. Psych, we don't have license plates. We're gone. See you, Karen. You want to go on a jet ski, I hear.
Darling, you send me. I know you. I'm running 24/7 every day. I ain't letting nothing get in my way. I got a hustler's mentality. I'm thinking about how I can get paid. 'Cause the love of money running my way. I got a hustler's mentality. Just to make that.
I have no explanation for how this rip got here. The moment you've all been waiting for. Today we're kayaking, high speed, behind that bad boy. High speed jet ski kayaking. It doesn't get any realer than this, I promise.
You ever see a jet ski go 70 miles an hour? Me either.
You ever see a kayak go 70 miles an hour? Me either. Let's go. It's not gonna work. The kayak's underwater. Wait!
It's fun.
Wow, that was not supposed to happen. And here we are. I think we're gonna call that a wrap. That was no fun. I had a blast.
Oh wow, step away from the kayak.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.